Hello everyone, a quick video that can help you when you receive an item that doesn't work, is broken or is fake. It mostly applies to Aliexpress, but it's also applicable to other online stores. So if you're interested, stick around until the end of the video. And be sure to follow me for many more good videos. Recently I ordered this small AD9833 module from Aliexpress, and as soon as I tried it, I faced the problem that it doesn't work. Of course, I took a few screenshots and sent them along with a brief description to Aliexpress with a request for a refund. Here's the exact text and the screenshots I sent. The first refund request was straightforward. Item doesn't work, I want a refund. Naturally, they requested more details, so I provided images, the connection with Arduino, oscilloscope readings at the output, communication with Arduino on the logic analyzer, and finally the Arduino code that works. The request was initially rejected, but as you saw, I provided additional information, including a video describing the problem and the official datasheet for the AD9833, which shows the expected voltage on each pin. I demonstrated that the voltage on the pin where the output should be stabilized by an internal stabilizer in the module was not correct, as shown in the final part of the video. As a result, the refund was approved and I received it. Even though it was a very small amount, I personally never give up because obtaining a refund requires investing time and effort. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, please follow and like.